I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and setup of your HP OfficeJet Pro 8022 all-in-one printer, and you will see how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of the printer. Let's start with the unboxing. Once our printer is on, we have to go on the display panel to start the setup process. On the display panel, select the language you want to use for this printer and just confirm it. Select the country of residence. The next thing is to install the setup in cartridges, so just click OK. Now I'm going to show you how to install the setup in cartridges. So just take them out. Make sure you also remove the seals which is here. So you just have to do like this. Now remove the seal, so you just have to push it one side. To install the setup ink cartridges, we have to open the ink cartridge chamber. So open the front door. Also there is a handle here, so you have to push this upside until it holds itself, and you will see the ink cartridge chamber here in the middle. To install the setup ink cartridges, matches the alphabets and the color. Place it like this, press it down. So it's very easy. So once you place it in the correct position, you have to press it down and it will lock. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door by pressing it down, and simply it will lock. Click OK. Load A4 size sheet in the paper tray. Adjust the size. Place the A4 size sheets here. Click on the continue button to do the print head alignment. Now we have to scan this page for the alignment. Open the top scanner lid. Place the page facing downwards on the upper left hand side corner and click on the scan button. Alignment is successful. Now we can click OK and go for further setup. On the next screen you will see it says get the HP software to do the setup. You can do that, or you can just simply skip it and just press this question mark. Next step is to click on the network setup. You can do the wireless setup now, or if you want to do it later, you can just click on the connect later button. Click OK. This is a touch screen, so you can scroll like this. From here we can start the copy function, and I'll show you how to do that. Open the top scanner lid. Place a page facing downwards like this. Go to the display panel. Click on the copy icon. Select it document. And you can increase the number of copies, and also you can change the settings. Once you are ready, click on this blue copy icon. So print quality is good, so it has done the copy exactly same like the original print. Also, if you want to do the wireless setup, you can simply go to the display panel and do that. For that, simply scroll down and click on the Wi-Fi icon, and here you can just click on the yes button and it will start the setup process. It will search for the available wireless routers. You simply have to select the wireless network you want to connect and enter the password from here. Enter the password and click on the done button and click OK, and it will connect with the Wi-Fi network. Overall, I can say it's very easy to set up this printer, and once it is set up you can start the printing scanning function, and it's good for the home or office use. Thanks for watching.